Yogastu. I'm Yogi Buddhadev, and today I'm going to share some more details about my upcoming course, Past Life Regression Holistic Healer, or you may say the Advanced Past Life Regression Holistic Healer course. As you know that I have been teaching and I still teach the Past Life Regression basic course, which you know by name of Shashwat, and its name is the Science of Spirituality, Karma, Reincarnation and Past Life Regression. And now in the advanced course, you become the holistic healer facilitator into the science of past life regression. Now what is this holistic healer? I have been teaching the past life regression advanced courses earlier also, but this time there is a little difference. A little difference that will definitely enable you to become a really holistic healer. Before we go into the course of the holistic healer, we must understand what is healing and what is really healed. What we heal actually, and why this course is known as the Science of Spirituality. The science of spirituality is the science of knowing the very soul, knowing the prarabdha, knowing the karma, knowing the samskara, knowing your destiny, knowing your origin, where from you have come and where will you go. But where from you have come and where will you go, in between this you live many lifetimes, many lifetimes. And okay, now we talk about the present lifetime. In the present lifetime also, we carry many traumatic experiences. Not only that, we have some emotional pains, we carry some unexplained issues with us, some behavior patterns, some fears, some phobias, some discomforts, some troubling situation in our life. And not only that, we should not just focus upon the negative thing also. We have come here with our good fortune as well. We have earned our karma in a form of our talents, abilities, skills, and so many other things. If by chance we are born in a good family, in good environment, that is our good fortune. But still, when we come to the healing, we actually don't go for healing the good causes. The healing happens for the consciousness. We are essentially consciousness, that I have told you many times and you also know now. And this very consciousness, when it is colored by your actions, by your latent tendencies, by your desires, by your liking and disliking, by your very act of thinking, by your very act of behaving, by your very act of understanding the things around and about yourself. This very consciousness needs healing then, because then this consciousness carry wounds from the earlier part of this very lifetime and maybe from the past lives, from the immediate past life or many other past lives. So the healing is necessary. And past life regression advanced course makes you the holistic healer. You work on the energy. I have taught you Reiki or other energy healing method. I have also taught you Kriya Kundalini Yoga, or many of my, some of my teachers into Kriya Kundalini Yoga have taught you Kriya Kundalini Yoga. But in this very course, we have molded 3 courses into one to make you a holistic healer. Number 1, Karma Kriya Kundalini Yoga. Now why this is Karma Kriya Kundalini Yoga? Those who have done Kriya Kundalini Yoga basic course, they can ask me one thing, that why we should do this course. Yes, of course. In this very course, I especially recommend to go for Karma Kriya Kundalini Yoga, as because you will be taught some more deepened practices of the Kriya meditations. How you will adjust your karma, burn your karma, balance your karma, or exhaust your karma. This will be taught. You will be also taught the science of handling your karmas, and how the karma is converted into kriya, and ultimately this kriya gives rise to awakening your kundalini. This is the very beautiful thing that you will learn in this course. Then second is Reiki healing. Those who have done Reiki basic course, they need not do the same. They need not repeat it on. So they can directly enroll themselves into the advanced past life regression holistic healer course. And then this very holistic healing enables you to deliver your best and definitely deal with the unexplained or difficult issues of your client. So please understand it. This time, this course is a completely different one, and I would especially invite my repeaters and recommend them to join this very course. Totally, I think there would be some 20 to 25 sessions in this very course, and initially we will be taking twice sessions in a week, sometimes maybe 3, because it will involve hands-on practice, practical training, theory, philosophy, and many things more. You will be learning some good new tools so that you can take one into the past life regression, bring out the information, and can suggest the transformative methods to your client as well. Much will be I will be discussing in a free session that I am going to have with you with one of my students, and there I will be answering your queries, your questions about this past life regression holistic healer course. Further, if you want to know something more about the course, or you have a query or some questions or something, you can visit our website yogasvidhyarishikesh.com, and you can also watch our channels, YouTube channels, Yogas Foundation and Yogas Vidya Rishikesh. There you will find the details in description. So for now, I think this is enough. Soon meeting you, and we'll be having conversation, we'll be interacting regarding the same course. So start the journey of becoming the holistic healer into the science and art of past life regression. Thank you very much. Yogastu.